Yes, 99% of it made up on the spot.
Right, here we are. We're down here close.
Now the close is over there. This is the Weber.
Called, that's right. This is the Weber. I have a close, but this is the Weber. Oh, right. Look at that. Look at that diamond pattern on those grill marks.
See, that's what you get with these grill grates.
And somebody here today is going to win a set of these grill grates, courtesy of who?
Grillgrate.com.
Grillgrate, the owner.
Brad Barrett.
Brad Barrett.
Thank you, Brad.
Thank you, Brad.
Well, whoever wins it says thank you. Right now, everyone's saying thank you because they.
Right.
I had a grill that came with the grates, and because